Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. Welcome to you in science class. Our topic for today is our solar system. Today we will talk about our solar system. Hello,
Salam.
Zian. Hello, Ahmed. How are you?
Fine, sir.
السلام عليكم.
Alaikum salam, Zia. Zia, send a message in your group, in your own group.
طيب.
Ask them to join. Yes, thank you.
العفو. كذا أستاذ خلاص
No,
أرسل.
no, in your group to Firas and in your own, your friend group.
طيب.
How are you, Muhammad Azhari?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so today our topic is our solar system. Okay, so today's objectives are after finishing number 5, it's for the class difference between a star and a planet. What is the sun? The earth's movement. What is the moon? Names of the planets and what is orbit? We will discuss today. Okay, difference between a star and a planet. Muhammad Azhari, read it please.
Okay.
What is a
Difference
star?
between a star and a
Yeah.
star is on light, but a planet does not have its own light. It reflects the light.
Okay. Ahmed Muhammad, what do you mean by reflecting light?
يعني انعكاس الضوء.
Explain in English. Ahmed Muhammad. Thank you, Muhammad Azhari. Ahmed Muhammad, are you there? Okay, so we are talking about reflecting light. Reflecting means the light of sun or other thing or other light source comes and then touches the surface of any other planet or a thing or a place which does not have light and then reflects. The basic or the main example is the mirror. If you think this is a mirror, okay, then the light of, or you can say as for our topic, this is a planet which does not have light, okay, then from the star the light comes, touches the surface of planet and then reflects. Okay, so we can see the planets like this, it reflects the light. This is called reflection. So the difference between a star and a planet is a star has its own light, its own light. You can see here in sun, in the star. and planet does not have its own light. This is the main difference. This is the basic difference between star and a planet. Okay. Now, what is a sun? Is it a planet or a star or what? Okay. Who will tell me? What is a sun? The sun is a star or a planet?
The sun.
Star. Very good, Muhammad. The sun is a star because it has its own light. So, as I told you, a planet, if a thing which has its own light, that is star, and the other thing which does not have, that is a planet in our solar system. So, what is the sun? The sun is a star found at the center of our solar system. Hello, brother. So it's in the center of our solar system. Other planets are revolving around the sun. They are moving around the sun in their own orbit, in their path. Okay. The Earth's movement around the sun in 1 year, the Earth completes its circle around the sun. Okay. So here you can see around the sun, it's moving, the Earth is moving. Okay, let me make it bigger for you. Look, there are two kinds of movements of the Earth. How? Check. One movement is around the sun. Okay, the Earth is moving around the sun. The other is it's moving around its axis, like a ball. Okay, it's also moving around its axis and also around the sun. So there are two kinds of movements of the Earth. So now, first of all, is around the sun, it completes its circle in 1 year. In 1 year, like 365 days. The other is around its axis. Around its axis, it completes in 24 hours. Yani 24 saa. 24 hours it completes its circle or the round about around its axis. As the earth rotates, one only one half of the earth faces the sun at any given time. Yani only one half, yani nus. Half is facing the sun, yani hina fi daytime, yom. And the
Yeah.
other one is not facing, which is night time.
Night.
The half facing the sun is daytime and the half facing away from the sun is dark, yani night time. Understand? Okay. So there are two kinds of movements of the earth. Now what is the moon and what is it a satellite or not? Who will read? Ahmed Muhammad.
Listen,
Okay, read.
the moon. I read the moon.
Yes.
What is the moon? A large rock that orbits a planet. A planet. The Earth has one moon. Moons orbit planets. Planets orbit the sun.
Okay. Then Badr, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read this right side of the screen.
Okay. What is the moon? A natural satel-
Satellite.
satellite,
Satellite.
one
Yeah.
satellite, one of more than 96 moons in our solar system. The only moon of the planet Earth.
Planet Earth, not plant.
Planet Earth.
Okay, who is next? Asil, open your mic.
Sir, I read.
Yes, Khalid. Okay, read.
What is the moon?
Yeah.
A large rock orbits a planet. The Earth has one moon. Moons orbit planets orbit the sun.
That's good. Okay, so orbit means the way to move around. That is orbit. Orbit is a path for the planets or satellites. What is happening, Muhammad? Okay, thank you, Khalid. Badr, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I read.
Yes, Badr. Okay, you have finished. Badr Michel. There are two Badr. Badr Garni and Badr Michel. Badr Al Garni.
Yes.
Yes, read it. Right side.
From that. Okay. What is the moon? A natural satellite, one of more than 96 moons in our solar system, the only moon of the planet Earth.
There is only moon of the planet Earth. So orbit means the way. Look, this is the orbit of a planet. Then this, then this. This is called orbit. Okay. Then names of the planet. The sun, which is the biggest in solar system, and in the center, which is in the center. Then we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 planets, okay, in our solar system. So what is orbit? As I told you, orbit is a path, path yani tariq. Orbit is a path on which a planet moves. On which a planet moves. This is the path for one planet. This is for second. This is for third. This is for fourth. So it goes on. Okay, understand? You have any question about this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So some boys joined now. So let me repeat again. So we have our topic today, solar system, our solar system. So first of all, we discussed difference between a star and a planet. Yani what is a star and what is a planet? Okay, Usai, are you there? Azam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, read the difference. You are read it, please.
Difference between a start and a plant.
Start
Start plant
wala
and a
star.
plant.
Star يا أخي star مو start. Start كان يبدأ. Star. Okay.
A star has its own light,
Yes. But
but a plant does not have
planet,
it.
planet, not plant.
Plan, planet, planet does not have its own light. It reflects the light.
It reflects the light. Okay, so difference yani fark between a star and a planet. A star has its own light yani fi noor mawjood in a star, but in a planet there is no light, no its own light. It reflects the light. Or what is a reflection? As I told you, like you think that this is a planet, okay, and this is, here we have a star, okay, then the light of a star comes, touches the surface of a planet and reflects, and we can see here that this is the light is coming from the planet, but it's actually reflecting the light. Reflecting yani niqas munakis. So it's just a reflection of light, not actual light. But if we see a star directly, that has its own light, it's not reflecting. Fahant? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Then next we have what is a sun. Okay, Gusai, what is a sun? Star or a planet? Khalid Ali. Hello, Abdullah Faisal, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Abdullah, we discussed about a star and a planet. A star has its own light, yani fi noor fil star. But a planet does not have a light, its own light. It just reflects. The sun is a star because it has its light, its own light. Okay. The other planets, they just reflect the light. The sun is a star found in the center, yani fil juwa, fil wasat, center of our solar system. Then we have the Earth's movement. The Earth is moving. The Earth has two type of movement. Okay, two types of movements. Number one is, as you can see here, around the sun. Around the sun, it's moving around the sun, revolving. Okay, or rotates, whatever you want to say. The earth rotates, revolves around the sun or moves around the sun. This is the first movement. Second movement is around its axis. Around its axis. Okay. Which is the axis means it's tilted. Okay. And the earth is moving like this. Look. Okay. In how much time the earth completes the circle? The earth completes its circle around the sun in 1 year. Wahid sana, 1 year or 365 days. Then we have around its axis in 24 hours, yani 24 sa. So you can say in 24 hours you face the sun and then you go away from the sun. Night time and daytime. Hello, Abdullah Ali. So there are two types of movements of the earth. One is around its axis, one is around the sun. So the earth rotates only one half of the earth faces the sun at any given time. So if you can say this time you are facing the sun because it's daytime. The mujud hena, you are here facing the sun because it's daytime. After 2, 3 or maybe 4, 5 hours, you will go away from the sun. And it will come night. You will be facing the night. So it's mean in 24 hours, the earth completes one circle or one movement around axis. But in around the sun, it completes the circle in 1 year or 365 days. Any problem in this? Okay, the half facing the sun is daytime and the half away from the sun is night time. Have any questions about this?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, next we have what is the moon actually. So we will discuss moon in this. Okay, Abdullah Ali, Ikra ya Habibi, read it.
Yes, mister.
Aywa, what is moon? Read it.
What is the moon? A large rock that orbits a planet. The Earth has one moon.
Very good.
Moons orbit planets. Planets orbit the sun.
Okay, next one here on the right side.
What is the moon? A natural satellite.
Satellite.
One satellite on of more
One
than
of more.
more than 96 moons in our solar system. The only moon of the planet
Planet,
Earth.
not plant.
Planet Earth.
Okay, who else? Abdullah Faisal.
Yes, Mr.
Aywa. Read it.
Yes. What is the moon?
Yes.
A large
Large.
rock the that
Yes.
orbit
Very good.
a planet
Planet يا أخي. Plant هذا أنا بتاعت. يعني شجر. Planet.
the
Planet.
planet
أيوة.
the earth has one moon
Yes.
moons
Yes.
urban
Orbit. This is same word.
yes orbit planets
Planet يا أخي.
planet or orbit the sun. Yes, Mister.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Asil, are you there? Asil. Wafi.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, read this right side.
What is the moon?
Yes.
A natural satellite, one of more than 96 moons in our solar system. The only moon of the planet Earth.
Planet, not plant. Planet.
Planet
Plant
Earth.
that is like this. Look. Let me make it bigger. Look, this is plant. Plant, and this is planet. Planet. Show fee difference. There is PLANT plant, but PLANET planet. Planet yani kaukab, plant yani shajara or nabatat, I don't know. Okay? So there is a difference. Don't read this as plant. Okay, so we understand that moon is a rock that orbits a planet. So Earth has one moon, the others have more. There are 96 moons in our solar system, but Earth has only one. The moon is a natural satellite. Okay, now names of the planets which we have in our solar system. The sun, which is a star and exists in center of the solar system, yani fil wasat. Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So there are 8 planets which orbit the sun. Now what is orbit? Orbit. Orbit is a path yani tariq, a path on which a planet moves. It's mean the orbit is, here you can see orbits. Look, the one orbit, then the other one for this. So this is sun. These are the orbits for the planets. Planets revolve around the sun on one way, which is orbit. If they mix their orbits, it will be disaster. So there is a path which is called orbit, and they orbit around the sun in the times. Okay, so any questions about this lecture today? We discussed
No.
about difference of a star and a planet. Then we discussed the sun. Then we discussed the movement of the earth. Then what is the moon? Then names of planets. Then what is orbit? This was the lecture. You have any questions, you can ask now. Okay, boys, thank you. Thanks for joining. Goodbye.
Goodbye.